it's your girl Ayn and you're watching Sunkissed Somewhere. Today's video is really special because I asked my college friend and fellow Thomasian Fluffi to help me give you 10 tips for UST FRESHIES. So, shall we begin? Wait, I think I need to look the part.
We shall. Tip number 1 is to always have your reg form with you, especially while you don't have your ID yet. Your profs will probably ask for this, and so will the guards. Best of all, it's your ticket to the library, or at least for now. Tip number 2 is to get to know España, Dapitan, Lacson, and Pinoval, the 4 streets that border our beloved university. Explore all of the restaurants, find all of the quirky spaces, discover your barkada's next tambayan for the next 4 years. Bonus tip, find all of the milk tea places around the area. Tip number 3 is to always have an umbrella. It comes in handy whether you're walking from one building to another or just trying to survive the rainy season. Don't forget to label your umbrella with your name so you don't lose it. But most importantly, and don't you forget this, never leave it outside the library. It will be stolen. Tip number 4 is to join student orgs. Whether it's your college student council or a university-wide org, you'll find that the people you meet there will be your family for years to come. You'll gain experience you will definitely use later in life. Tip number 5 is to keep a stash of 1x1 photos ready. While you can borrow pens and ask for paper, we're looking at you, freeloaders. 1x1 photos are essential so you cannot rely on anyone else for. Make sure you always have extras in your wallet because you'll never know when your profs will ask for them. Tip number 6 is to make the most out of the library, and not only during prelims and final season. One of the things I miss the most about UST is the library, because that's where I spent most of my time studying, reading, or taking quick naps. Tip number 7 is to never date a blockmate. While it may be tempting to fall in love with that block cutie, not to mention convenient, don't do it. It will distract you and complicate your academic life. Trust me, I should know. Tip number 8 is to never risk your attendance. So many people fail not just because of well-deserved cincos, but also because of FA marks. Don't waste your tuition just because you're always tardy or lazy. Sayang pera! Tip number 9 is to support your teams and embrace that school spirit. Whether it's the Growling Tigers or your college dance team, make sure you cheer your schoolmates on while you still can. Wear your team shirt, learn the cheers, watch live games. It's always fun and you can only enjoy it this much while you're in college. Lastly, tip number 10 is to always challenge the system, speak up when you need to, and stand by your beliefs. When something is wrong, whether it's the administration's rules or election issues, do your part by actively participating and voicing out your opinions. Whatever goes on in the university is your responsibility too. Being a Thomasian is pretty freaking amazing, but it's also our job to protect and dictate what that means. Here's to a great college life, Freshies! Thanks for watching! Oh, and special thanks to Fluffi for illustrating this video for me. Don't forget to check out his social media accounts and his comic book, Norman Zero. You don't want to miss out. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope to see you soon. From your girl Ayn and your boy Fluffi, stay confident.